Hey guys, it's the Junior Coder. In this video, we'll be looking at the Raspberry Pi 4. So I'm actually going to be putting all the information into a few series. And this is part 1, Introduction. So let's get right into it. The Raspberry Pi 4 is a tiny dual display desktop computer. With the Pi 4 being faster, the door is open to many new uses. It is also the first Pi that supports 2 screens at once, both up to 4K resolution. Some of the Raspberry Pi 4 components include a new, more powerful processor, a choice of RAM, either 1GB, 2GB, or 4GB, a USB-C power supply, 2 micro HDMI ports supporting 4K displays, 2 USB 2 ports, 2 USB 3 ports, and a Gigabyte Ethernet. Setting up the Raspberry Pi 4. 1. A power supply. You need a power supply that provides at least 3 amps. 2. A microSD card. You need a microSD card with a capacity of at least 8 gigabytes. Many sellers supply SD cards for Raspberry Pi that are already set up with Raspbian. 3. A keyboard and mouse. To start using your Raspberry Pi, you need a USB keyboard and mouse. Once you've set your Pi up, you can use a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, but you'll need a USB keyboard and mouse for the first setup. 4. A TV or a computer screen. To view the Raspbian desktop, you need a screen and a cable to link the screen and the Pi. If the screen has built-in speakers, the Pi is able to use these to play sound. Raspberry Pi 4 has 2 micro HDMI ports, allowing you to connect 2 separate monitors. Connect your Raspberry Pi 4. Now let's get everything connected to your Raspberry Pi 4. It's important to do this in the right order so that all of your components are safe. Step 1. Insert the SD card into the micro SD card slot on the underside of your Raspberry Pi. Step number 2. Find the USB connector end of your mouse's cable and connect the mouse to a USB port on the Raspberry Pi. Step number 3. Connect the keyboard in the same way. Step number 4. Connect your screen to the first HDMI port, which is labeled HDMI 0. Finish the Pi 4 setup. When you start your Pi for the first time, the Welcome to the Raspberry Pi application will pop up and guide you through the initial setup. Set your country, language, and time zone, then click Next. Enter a new password for your Raspberry Pi and click Next. Connect your Wi-Fi by selecting its name, entering the password, and clicking Next. So that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to keep an eye out for future parts of this series. I'll catch you next time. Bye.